Welcome to our comprehensive guide on setting up your solar power system. Whether you're looking to reduce your electricity bills, go off-grid, or make an environmentally friendly choice, we've got you covered. We're going to break down the entire process step by step so you can harness the incredible power of the sun. That's right, the same sun that makes plants grow and keeps us all warm can also power your home. Get ready to learn about solar panels, inverters, batteries, and all the cool stuff that makes solar energy possible. Let's get started. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. Before we jump into the world of solar panels, we need to figure out how much energy you actually use. Think of it like figuring out how much fuel your car needs for a road trip. Grab your electricity bill and look for your average daily energy usage, measured in kilowatt hours. This number tells you how much electricity you gobble up in a day. Now, decide if you want your solar power system to cover all your energy needs or just a portion. Going completely off-grid is super cool, but it might require a larger system. Don't worry, we'll figure it all out together. Knowing your energy needs is the first step to designing a solar power system that's perfect for you. Let's move on to the different types of solar systems you can choose from. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. All right, energy detectives, time to explore the different types of solar systems. It's like choosing the right vehicle for your energy journey. First up, we have grid-tied systems, the most common type. These systems are connected to the utility grid, which acts like a backup power source. When your solar panels are producing more energy than you need, you can even sell it back to the grid. Next, we have off-grid systems, the ultimate in energy independence. These systems rely entirely on solar panels and battery storage. You're free from the grid, but you need to be mindful of your energy usage, especially during cloudy days. Finally, we have hybrid systems, the best of both worlds. These systems combine solar panels with battery storage and a connection to the utility grid. You get backup power, energy independence, and the ability to sell excess energy. Choosing the right system depends on your needs and location. We'll dive deeper into each type later on. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show. Solar panels. These incredible devices convert sunlight directly into electricity. It's like magic, but science. When choosing solar panels, there are a few key things to consider. Efficiency, wattage, and durability are your best friends here. Monocrystalline panels are like the sports cars of the solar world, sleek, efficient, but a bit pricier. Polycrystalline panels are more like the reliable SUVs, affordable and efficient, but not as flashy. Don't forget about wattage. Higher wattage means more power output, and always check the warranty. You want those panels to last for years to come. Choosing the right solar panels can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. Chapter 4. Essential solar components. Inverters, batteries, and charge controllers. Solar panels are the stars, but they can't do it alone. They need a supporting cast of essential components to make the magic happen. First up, we have the inverter, the brains of the operation. This nifty device converts the direct current electricity generated by your solar panels into alternating current electricity, which is what your home appliances use. Next, we have batteries, the energy savers. These powerhouses store excess energy generated by your solar panels, so you can use it at night or during cloudy days. Think of them like rechargeable batteries for your entire house. And finally, we have the charge controller, the traffic cop of your solar power system. This important component regulates the voltage and current flowing from your solar panels to your batteries, preventing overcharging and damage. Together, these essential components work in harmony to deliver clean, renewable energy to your home. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. Designing your solar system. Let's get creative. Now that we know the key players, it's time to design your solar power system. This is where things get exciting. It's like building with Legos, but with clean energy. First, measure your roof space. This will determine how many solar panels you can fit. Next, plan the layout of your panels, ensuring they're facing south for maximum sunlight exposure. Calculate the number of panels you'll need based on your energy needs and the wattage of the panels you've chosen. Remember, it's always better to have a slightly larger system than you think you need. And don't forget about the angle. The optimal angle for your solar panels will depend on your location. We'll show you how to find the perfect tilt for maximum energy production. Designing your solar power system is like creating a work of art, a masterpiece of clean energy. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech daily across all our social media platforms. Chapter 6. Installing your solar panels, safety first. All right, DIY enthusiasts, it's time to roll up our sleeves and install those solar panels, but remember, safety always comes first. Before you start, make sure your roof is structurally sound and can handle the weight of the panels. If you're not comfortable working on your roof, it's best to hire a professional installer. Once you're ready, position the panels according to your design plan. Connect the panels in series or parallel, depending on your system voltage, and use secure mounting brackets to withstand wind and weather. Installing solar panels can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to take your time, follow instructions carefully, and never hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech daily across all our social media platforms. With these solar panels securely in place, it's time to connect the rest of the system. This is where the inverter, batteries and charge controller come into play. First, connect the direct current output from your solar panels to the inverter. This will convert the direct current electricity into alternating current electricity that your home can use. Next, connect your batteries to the charge controller. This will ensure that your batteries are charged properly and protected from overcharging. Finally, connect the output of the inverter to your home's electrical panel. This will allow the solar power system to start powering your home. Connecting the system can be a bit tricky, so it's important to follow the instructions carefully and double-check all connections before turning on the system. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech daily across all our social media platforms. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to test your solar power system and see if it's generating clean, renewable energy. Start by powering up the system. Check the voltage levels at various points in the system to ensure everything is working correctly. Most modern solar power systems come with monitoring apps that allow you to track performance in real time. These apps can show you how much energy your system is generating, how much energy you're using, and even how much money you're saving. System testing is an ongoing process. It's important to monitor your system regularly to ensure it's operating at peak performance. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech daily across all our social media platforms. Congratulations, you're now a solar power pro, but the journey doesn't end there. Like any other system, your solar power system needs a little TLC to keep it running smoothly. Regular cleaning is key. Dust, dirt and debris can accumulate on your solar panels, reducing their efficiency. Hose them down periodically or use a soft bristled brush to remove any buildup. Inspect your system regularly for any signs of wear and tear. Check the wiring, inverter and mounting brackets for any damage. And don't forget about your batteries. Battery care is crucial for off-grid and hybrid systems. Monitor the battery charge cycles and follow the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance and replacement. With a little bit of care and attention, your solar power system will provide you with clean, renewable energy for years to come. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech daily across all our social media platforms. We've covered a lot of ground from solar panel types to system maintenance. Now let's talk about the financial side of things. Installing a solar power system is an investment, but it's one that can pay off big time in the long run. Not only will you save money on your electricity bills, but you'll also increase the value of your home. The good news is that there are many government incentives and financing options available to make solar more affordable. Tax credits, grants and rebates can significantly reduce the upfront cost of your system. You can also explore solar financing options like loans, leases and power purchase agreements, also known as PPAs. These options allow you to go solar with little to no money down and make monthly payments that are often lower than your current electricity bill. Don't let finances hold you back from going solar. There are many options available to make your dream of clean, renewable energy a reality. Don't forget to follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our solar power setup guide. You've learned about the different types of solar systems, how to choose the right components, and how to install and maintain your system. By following these steps, you'll have a solar power system that suits your energy needs and helps create a brighter, more sustainable future. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative guides. Follow Smart Tech Daily across all our social media platforms. Now go forth and harness the power of the sun.